In this video, you are watching the powerful Doosan DX300 Excavator in action, working efficiently to load trucks with earth and soil. This machine is part of Doosan's heavy-duty construction lineup designed to deliver high performance, durability, and operator comfort in demanding job site conditions. The Doosan DX300 is equipped with a robust diesel engine that produces approximately 200 horsepower, giving it the strength needed for heavy excavation and continuous. Loading operations. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth and precise movements, allowing the operator to control the boom, arm, and bucket with accuracy and speed. With an operating weight of around 30 tons, this excavator provides excellent stability during digging and lifting. The heavy undercarriage and balanced design help maintain control even when working on uneven or challenging terrain. This makes it a reliable choice for construction sites, mining operations, and large-scale earth movement projects. One of the key highlights of the Doosan DX300 is its bucket capacity, which typically ranges from 1.2 to 1.5 cubic meters, depending on the configuration. This allows the machine to load trucks quickly, reducing cycle times and increasing overall productivity. As you can see in the video, the excavator is performing smooth and efficient loading cycles, ensuring that each truck is filled with precision. The operator plays a crucial role in maximizing the machine's performance. From this operator view, you can
mình đi bốc rồi mình đi.
Notice how carefully the controls are handled to achieve consistent and balanced loading. Skilled operation not only improves efficiency, but also reduces fuel consumption and wear on the machine. Fuel efficiency is another important feature of the Doosan DX300. It is designed to deliver strong performance while maintaining reasonable fuel consumption, making it cost-effective for long working hours. The machine also includes modern cooling systems and filtration to ensure long engine life and reliable operation. Safety and comfort are also key priorities in this excavator. The cabin is designed with ergonomic controls, clear visibility, and reduced noise levels, allowing the operator to work comfortably for extended periods. Advanced monitoring systems provide real-time information about machine performance, helping to prevent issues before they occur. In addition to the excavator, you may also see wheel loaders working alongside, supporting the operation and improving overall workflow on the site. This teamwork between machines helps complete tasks faster and more efficiently. Overall, the Doosan DX300 Excavator stands out as a powerful, reliable, and efficient machine for heavy-duty applications. Its combination of engine power, hydraulic precision, and operator-friendly design makes it a top choice for professionals in the construction and earth movement industry. If you enjoy watching heavy equipment in action, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more high-quality content like this.